differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 whole into x cube plus 7x plus 9 in three ways. First, by using product rule. So let fx equals to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now using the product rule, let f dash x equals to d by dx of one function into take another function as constant plus d by dx of another function and the first function constant. We get 2x minus 5 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus x square minus 5x plus 8 into 3x square plus 7. When you simplify, this will be f dash x equals to 2x to the power 4 plus 14x square plus 18x minus 5x cube minus 35x minus 45 plus 3x to the power 4 minus 15x cube plus 24x square plus 7x square minus 35x plus 56, hence which is reduced to 5x to the power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. Now by expanding the product to a single polynomial, let fx equals to this again. So let's expand the polynomial, multiplying both the trinomials to each other. We get fx equals to x square into this bracket minus 5x into this again plus 8 into this. Hence we get fx equals to x to the power 5 minus 7x cube plus 9x square minus 5x to the power 4 minus 35x square minus 45x plus 8x cube plus 56x plus 72, which when reduced gives fx equals to x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 15x cube minus 26x square plus 11x plus 72. Hence f dash differentiating with respect to x, we get f dash x equals to 5x to the power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. Now the third method, we are asked to differentiate by logarithmic differentiation. Take natural logarithm on both the sides. We get log y equals to log x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log x cube plus 7x plus 9. Hence differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, we get 1 by y dy by dx equals to 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8 into differentiation of this is 2x minus 5 plus 1 upon x cube plus 7x plus 9 into 3x square plus 7. Cross multiplying y on the other side, we get this, taking LCM, and hence dy by dx is equals to 5x to the power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 56x plus 11, which is the reduced form of this equation. Hence in all the three cases we get the three same answers. Thank you.